This is the cicada, a fascinating insect known for its distinct sound and unique life cycle. Cicadas are famous for their loud buzzing or chirping noises produced by specialized organs called tymbals. These sounds are a hallmark of summer in many regions. Cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs, feeding on plant roots. After a prolonged period, often years, they emerge as adults, molt, and showcase vibrant colors. Their synchronized mass emergences, known as brood emergences, are awe-inspiring natural phenomena.